Ever dreamed of waking up to breathtaking ocean views? Welcome to this stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in the heart of Miami Beach. A spacious layout filled with natural light and a balcony made for sunrise moments. Open concept design, high-end finishes, and everything you need to live or invest in style. Located just 2 blocks from the beach, in a brand new building with top-tier amenities. And yes, short-term rentals are allowed. An investment opportunity, a beachfront retreat, or your next home. Contact us today and schedule your visit. Elite Ocean View Realty. Passion that changed real estate.